I'm Atul Jadhav. I am a part of Whirlpool GTech team as a senior CAE analyst. So my job role in Whirlpool is like the 1D simulation capabilities development engineer. Our main objective for going for GT Suite as such was like our transient system models. So just to give you a background, like most of our tests in refrigerator are transient in nature, and we were really struggling a lot in modeling those with our traditional approaches. So that's where we wanted to explore options, and we actually started with GT. So our objective over here was like to model transient simulation capability for our energy and the pull down test. So that was the main purpose going for GT. So we started this work maybe in the month of August, and I would say that we had a 2 months of work as a POC. So I would not say like we have completely explored the GT capabilities, but as such, from a POC point of view, I really see that it is really having a good potential, what we expect. The problem what we are trying to solve is like the test what I mentioned, like these are incorporating around 20% of our lab workload. So if we are able to actually simulate those, I think we are really going to save a lot of time and also reduce our development time for the product launch in the market. Yeah, so my experience working with Gamma Technologies was really superb. So we actually worked with some of the competitors also. But if I really would like to say about Gamma Technologies, the technical support was very good. In the 1D domain, it's a really powerful tool. I am knowing GT Suite from an automobile background, but believe me, like when we are trying to also test it for our HVAC and our applications, specifically for a refrigerator, it is having a lot of capabilities and potential. I would surely recommend using GT Suite for like different 1D applications. So I'm attending this GTDC conference for the first time, and I would really say that it is really a very good experience from a technical presentation point of view, the whole arrangement point of view. I really enjoyed it and looking forward to attend many more like this in the future.